Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So, this is probably one of my favorite segments, making drinks. I'm gonna try it too because that's what I do. So, but today we're gonna be making a frozen mango margarita. Anyway, you guys, let's get into this drink because I'm ready to be tipsy. Alright, you guys, so these are the ingredients. You're going to need some frozen mango, some Smirnoff mango flavor, and some Bacardi mango flavor, sour punch straws, apple straws, and some lime juice. I'm using fresh limes. If you have the other type of lime in the bottle, you can use it, but I suggest the fresh. So to my mixer, I'm going to add the apple straws, the sour apple straws, just to get things going. I'm also going to add the mango Bacardi, as well as the whole entire bottle of the Smirnoff. Y'all, this drink is gonna be so good. You want to add the mango. I'm adding the ice last minute because I want to see where I'm at first, considering the mango was frozen. So you want to mix that up. Then I'm gonna add my ice as well as my lime juice, and that's it. It's pretty much done. So these are my mason jars. I had them in the freezer since when I started recording from the beginning. So about 45 minutes to an hour they've been in the freezer. I do that so that when you pour the drink, it'll make it even colder and even more solid, as you're going to see in just a minute. Then you want to top it off with even more sour apple straws, and that's it. Like, it's just pretty easy and simple. You can use whatever candy you prefer, but I really wanted that tart because mango, even though it's delicious, it can be heavy. Wanted to come more in some more light so y'all can see how frozen this is. What really helped this out too? The jars have been in the freezer for like, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour. They've been in there from the beginning before I even started filming. So because they were frozen, as soon as you added the drink, look, it's still frozen. So make sure you freeze your mason jars or your glasses so it could keep your drink nice and cold. I'm about to try this for y'all. Look how frozen the mason. I've been taking pictures now for 10 minutes and it's still frozen. So yeah. Hopefully y'all can see me. Ooh. Anyway, I already took a sip. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But y'all, this thing with no straw, I could not find no straws nowhere. So we're going to try this straw. Y'all think I'm playing? We're going to be ghetto for a minute. Let's be ghetto, okay? Wait, I thought these straw things opened all the way through. Alright, that ain't going to work. And I got good suckage. Let's get into the real tea. First of all, hold on, one more. The mango with the sour punch straws. Everything. Make sure you blend this. Hopefully y'all got a strong enough blender. I don't know how it would do in a regular blender. Blend this up in your drink and also, garnish with it. It's not too sweet, which I'm happy about. I didn't want a sugary drink. I didn't want that. However, if you prefer a sugary drink, just make you a quick simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water, heat it up for like 3 to 5 minutes, and that's your simple syrup. Just pour it in there if you want a sweeter drink, but to me it's sweet enough. It got the right amount of tart. It's sweet enough for me, and the mango and the apple straws is what I taste the most. Yeah, I know we use mango everything, but sometimes you make something and it still doesn't come through. The mango is very present along with this. So I hope my doctor not watching, y'all. I haven't had a drink in so long. This drink is gonna take you to where you gotta go. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching Misha's Corner. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for trying out all my recipes. Thank you for all the love you show me. Thank you to all you strangers that don't even know me but show me so much love, so much appreciation, so much everything. You know, sometimes in life, especially when you start a new business or you go on a new venture, you know, certain people don't support you like they should and would, you know, until they see strangers doing it. So I'm never gonna forget you guys for being the first people to support me, be appreciative of my talent and my skill, and always watching my videos. So thank you guys so much. I love you. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.